Hello, today we will going to working with private bank technology with library. And I will make some preparation, for reason for make my English more perfect. Today I will set up Google Translator, and it will be more understandable for Ukrainian too. And the next step, I will work with privatbank technology. On this place, I can write translator. Translator, Google Translator. Google Translator. Translate VS Code Google Translator. I think it will be better. Not so popular. It's more popular. How it working? French. Okay, I can mark and maybe hit some combination, Alt Shift T. Okay. Install. Done. And on this place I will try. What is the combination? It is парам. Так. Я буду препарувати. Prepare it is підготовка, а have препарувати. Мабуть, то саме. Alt Shift T. Alt Shift T. And English. Dissect. I will dissect this library, LiqPay. Я помітив, що я минулого разу не помітив справжню версію другої бібліотеки від Приватбанку. And now I can hit these buttons. Yeah. I noticed that I did not notice the valid version of the second library from privatbank last time. So complicated sentence. But I think that native will be understand. Funny translate. What is it? Chinese translation. I talk about next library. Private bank. SDK. My conscience will be catched by problem, and I was think that name of library is LiqPay.js. It was logically because it common approach to add JS for library. But actually this library named SDK not JS. And I will just install this library, but I think that it can be not very responsive. And why not very responsive? Because my previous experience with privatbank API and documentation. And the second reason, I need to make some changes in this library. I was thinking about button that I get from this method. This method returned for me HTML form, the button with image like this, and with URL to API, and two fields in post request, because it is parts of the body, name, data, and signature. And I was thinking how I may say it more correctly. Я подумав. Alt Shift T. Yes. I thought. Thoughts. I thought. I need some text to speech. Think. Thought. I thought. what I will make next, what I will do next. I can get button, and when I pushing on this button, I getting the page with payment page, private bank payment page for checkout. My first thing it was get part of this HTML and this button, and show this button on my interface. But I thought more, and on this place, on next place, one moment. I started my project, and my project is building. Okay, about what moment I talk? When I buying some stuff and I'm going to check out, I can put my phone and check payment, private pay. It like prediction was. Private pay, post, okay, some post, delivery, self-delivery, and I thought that I can show this button in this place, but it is not, не співпадає, how it say. Match, yes, of course, match. Does not match. It is does not match because will be one the button for user, not two buttons. If I will make some complicated way, like additional step, it will be not good, it will be complicated. And next my thing, it is was scraping the data from HTML. And next my thing, it I realize that this HTML generates on this library on my backend, and I just can make a function for getting clear data, or maybe on this library there are function for my reason, method for my reason. And I will discover this CBN form, CBN signature, CBN params. I need data, duplicating in code. Maybe it is not very good for developer. It may be profit because it look like more code, more job, more work doing, did more work. This string returned for us the data, string to sign, return data and signature, and signature. It is duplicates 3 times or 2 times. Signature on this place, maybe no signature, but it is getting signature for us. CBN form used this signature, and we got signature all in different places. Request post this API. What is doing? It is maybe on begin, like a constructor, function, no, it is function, public key, private key. Next, host LiqPay API. This API got pass for reason, pass. CBN forms params, how it working. CBN form, okay, it is all params about version information, currency, amount 1 USD. CBN form returned HTML with signature and data. It main fields, data and signature, and I can test all of them. API and CBN object. What I get? from these methods. API, just API, okay. Okay, I just copy. It is object and API and I will watch. I got some year params version. If params version in method no version for uh, 54 pass params callback. Okay, I don't don't use it. I can just trying. I no won't make it. What I got? Data and signature. This post also has inputs, data and maybe input signature. It will be case for post request. Yes. And I can take this URL and I will have data for what? For open as a page or make this request automatically from my front because this form received page. By this form I get page. Okay, maybe I can make iframe on my page with this payment, or it can be like this. I push this button And if it was private pay, LiqPay, privatbank, automatically open it next window, next site by this data. I can get page about your замовлення, your order, something like was created, stored, and you should make payment. If user don't make this payment, we can just data for managers by trying of payment. We got information about order after pushing this button. Previously, next get this information for database, and this order on the start will be with status without payment, and if payment will be gotten, we get by payment ID. Yes, payment ID. This data, payment ID, after pushing this data, I will be put on this place. And next, refer user to next step. Yeah. Yes. It will be good. But right now I make this decision. I дійшов до цього рішення і його усвідомив. Some complicated phrases. Right now I came to answers. I reached the solution. Yes, right now I got understanding. Yes. Дійшов до усвідомлення. Oh God. I came to understanding. Awareness Not answer. Just awareness. Awareness. Okay. Now I realize how I will be next steps. But I need some time for more accurate understanding. Representation, more accurate representation in my mind. What I will be do. I know it is not very correct, what did I say? Що я буду робити? Осмислити те, що я буду робити. Осмислити свої наступні кроки. I should realize my next steps more accurate. And it will be on the next iteration in the next video.